Okay, so we're looking for nice singing voices. The kids are sounding great. In fact, so far in the game, the kids are winning. Okay, you're supposed to say, the grown-ups are supposed to say we haven't had a chance yet. Okay, we're gonna give the grown-ups a chance to sing, but boys and girls, don't look at them. Stare at me with your bug eyes. Grown-ups, please, 1, 2, 3. Hooray, up she rises, hooray, sweet. Hooray, up she rises, early in the morning. We should give them a hand. They deserve a hand more than you know. They do. And when you're a grown-up, you'll know why they deserve a hand. Okay, so let's tell a story. Let's sing a song about whales. Oh, big delay reaction. A story about whales. Hooray, up she rises. Hooray, up she rises. Early in the morning. Whales. 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 Nice job. Okay, so if you are going to be able to enjoy reading books, who likes reading books? Who loves reading books? I got my hands up in the air, both hands in the air. I love reading books. It's something you can do all your life. If you're going to be able to read books, you have to look after your brain, right? You have to protect your brain. So when you're out riding your bike, you should wear a helmet. Or if you're doing any other kind of activity, like skateboarding, okay, can you hold one hand up in the air? You don't have to stand on one leg. But I'd like to invite you to slap your leg to this beat. Can you keep going? And you can bring your other hand down. Just go when the guitar is going. Just slap your leg when the guitar is playing. Well, to wear a helmet is neat, to help me be safe in the street. Well, to wear a helmet is cool. Without it, I'm being a fool, and you don't want to be a fool. Well, I'm special because of my brain, so I'll wear my helmet like Wayne. Let's hear the side claps, keep them going till the guitar stops, until Peter Buffin hits the ground. I'm gonna jump up in the air a little faster. Give yourselves a hand, that was great. Good job. And try again. And try again. Okay, so you think you can do it without repeating? Yeah. Let's try it. Ready? I am proud like a mountain, big as the sea. I will stand up for all that I believe, and if I don't succeed on the first or even 10th try, I will pick myself up and try again. Okay, so let's try it with guitar, and I'll try putting in my brand new verse called Proud Like a Storyteller. Who likes to be storytellers? It's a good way to make friends. Something you'll be doing in the reading program, I'm sure, this summer. Okay, so let's try singing together. Here we go. I am proud like a mountain, big as the sea. I will stand up for all that I believe, and if I don't succeed on the first or even 10th try, I will pick myself up and try again. Okay, here's my verse. We all have our stories, they get bigger every day. Let your garden mind run free at the Beaumont Library. We will listen with our heart and soul. Books are fun for young and old. So tell me that tale again, and we can all be friends. Your turn. I am proud like a mountain, louder, big as the sea. I will stand up for all that I believe, and if I don't succeed on the first or think you should have some clapping for yourself. You sounded awesome there. Good job.